Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you one of the biggest advantages that Microsoft Excel offers, and that is the ability to use formulas and functions to help you with simple or complex calculations. I will show you what are the elements of a formula and how to insert them into the spreadsheet. So let's get on it. Frequently, formulas and functions are referred interchangeably at the time of using Excel, but they're not exactly the same thing. A formula is an expression that can perform calculations, return information, manipulate the content of another cell, and more. And a function is a predefined formula in Excel and can be combined with others into a more complex expression. In other words, a function can be one of the elements of a formula. So let's talk about these elements. First, and most important, a formula must start with the equal sign, followed by the combination of any of the next elements: cell references, operators, functions, and constant. Let's take a deeper look on each of these elements while I show you how to insert a formula using them into the spreadsheet. Cell reference. This helps to point to the value of another cell anywhere in the spreadsheet or the workbook. For example, this expression reference to the value of cell A1. This next expression reference to the value of cell A1 in sheet 2. Cell reference can be relative or absolute. We will discuss this in a separate video. To insert a formula with a cell reference, type the equal sign and then with your mouse select the cell that you want to point to, then press enter. If you need to point to a different worksheet, type the equal sign, then select the worksheet and select the cell, then press enter. Excel will automatically return you to the sheet where you entered the expression. Operators. This can be any mathematical operator used with two or more cell reference or functions. For example, the addition between A1 and A2, the subtraction between A1 and A2, the multiplication between A1 and A2, or the division between A1 and A2. To enter a formula with an operator, type the equal sign, then with your mouse select the cell A1, type the operator, click on the next cell, A2, and press enter. Functions. As I mentioned earlier, this is a predefined formula. As such, it has its own structure. After the equal sign goes the name of the function, and then within parentheses goes the cell references, or in this case, call arguments. They work as input to the function. For example, this expression is the sum of cells A1 and A2. To insert this formula, you can type the equal sign, the name of the function sum, open a parenthesis, and then with your mouse select the range that you need between A1 to A2. Then close the parenthesis and press enter. I want to mention to you that there is a ribbon tab dedicated for formulas and functions, and I will dedicate several videos to show you how to use popular functions on each category. Constants. Any constant number can be added to a formula after any operator. For example, this expression shows A1 plus A2 plus the constant 2. To insert this type of formula, type the equal sign, select the cell A1 plus, then A2 plus, and type the number 2 and press enter. Now, how about if we make a more complex expression combining some of these elements? This expression, for example, it will be the result of multiplying A1 to A2 plus the addition between A1 and A2 divided by 2. To insert this on the spreadsheet, type the equal sign, open a parenthesis, then select the cell, type the asterisk as a multiplier operator, select the next cell, then close the parenthesis, type the plus sign, then type the function name sum, open a parenthesis, select the range A1 to A2, close the parenthesis, type the next operator / for divider, and type the number 2. Then press enter. And there we go. I hope you find this video helpful to get you familiarized with Excel. Thank you for watching, and if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get access to my series of tutorials to learn Excel step by step. I'll see you in the next video.